Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of chapter 1 knowing our numbers for class 6. Please watch part 1 video for first 15 question. Link is given in the description. Please watch the video and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 16. Billions period consists of the places dash. Billion periods consist of billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So B is right answer. Question number 17. Raghu is 21 years old and Kavita is 72 years old. The sum of their ages in years is dash. Raghu is 21 years old and Kavita is 72 years old. And sum of their ages is 93 years. And 93 is written as, here C is 100, X is 10, I is 1. So B is right answer. Question number 18. First dash places from the right are the same in both the Indian and international systems of numeration. Ones, tens and 100 are the same in both Indian and international system of numeration. So D is right answer. Question number 19. Estimate the difference of 15,875 and 7,892 by rounding off each number to nearest 100. For rounding off the number to nearest 100, we have to check the tens place. Tens place is 7 and it is greater than 5. So we add 1 in 100 place and remaining place becomes 0. So 15,900 is the rounding off figure. And for 7,892, we check the tens place. It is also greater than 5. So we add 1 in 100 place and remaining places become 0. So 7,900 is rounding off figure. And their difference is 8,000. So answer D is correct. Question number 20. Place value and face value are always equal at which place? At one's place value and face value are always same. So B is right answer. Question number 21. A shopkeeper has 423 kg of sugar. He sells 42 kg of sugar every day. Estimate how much sugar is left after 6 days sale to nearest 100. So total amount of sugar is 423 kg. And in one day he sells 42 kg of sugar. So we first need to calculate the quantity of sugar sold in 6 days. So one day he sells 42. Then for 6 days into 6 is equal to 252 kg. The quantity of sugar sold in 6 days is 252 kg. Then how much quantity left? Quantity of sugar left is equal to 423 minus 252 kilogram is equal to 171 kilogram. This quantity is left after 6 day sales. Now we have to find out the required estimate quantity of this to nearest 100. So we need to check tens place. Tens place is 7. It is more than 5. So we add 1 to 100 place and remaining place become 0. So 200 is estimated quantity to nearest 100. A is right option. Now question number 22. Jatin deposited rupees 35,673 in his bank account on Tuesday and withdraw 3,568 on Wednesday. He again deposited 24,113 on Friday. What is the total amount of money in his account on Saturday? So first he deposited 35,673 and then he removed 3,568. So how much remaining? 13 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. Here 1, 2 and 3. 32,105 remaining. But again on Friday he add 24,113. Then amount of money left in Jatin account is 8, 1, 2, 6 and 5. Then 56,218 rupees left in Jatin's account. So A is right answer. Question number 23. The distance between Akash school and his home is 2 km 385 meter. Every day he walked to and from school. Calculate the total distance covered by him from Monday to Friday. Total distance between Akash school and his home is equal to 2 km and 385 meter. He go to school and come back to home. So distance covered by him in one day. We need to multiply this by 2. So he covered 4 km 7 centimeter distance in one day. Number of days from Monday to Friday is 5. To calculate the total distance covered by Akash in 5 days, we need to multiply this into 5. Into 5. So the total distance covered by Akash in 5 days is 23 km 850 meter. So B is right answer. Question number 24. 950 can cases are manufactured every day in a factory. How many such cases will be manufactured altogether in the month of October, November and December? Assume that the factory work on all days in these 3 months. Number of crankcase manufactured in one day. One day 950. Number of days in October is 31 and November 30 and in December 31. One's total number of days 92. Now we have to find out the number of crankcase manufactured in 92 days. So we need to multiply 950 into 92. So 87,400 crankcase manufactured in 92 days. So D is the correct option. Question number 25. Ansh multiplied 160 by 89 instead of multiplying by 79. How much was his answer greater than the correct answer. He multiply 160 into 89 instead of 79. His answer is 14,240 and required multiplication is 160 into 79 is equal to 12,640, and their difference will give the answer which is greater than the correct answer. So A is right answer. Question number 26, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the number 8,25,642 rounded off to nearest thousand is. For nearest thousand we have to check the 100 place. 100 place is 6. It is more than 5. So we add 1 in 1000 place and remaining place becomes 0. So answer is 8,26,000 is estimated figure. Question 2, estimate product of 4023 and 198 is. So we estimate first this 4021 to 4000 and this 198 into 200, and the product is 8 lakhs. And CXXXI is written in Hindu Arabic numerals is. C is 100, X is 10, I is 1. So 131. So B is right answer. Question number 27. The difference between the place value of 8 in greatest and smallest 4-digit number formed by using the digit 3805, each digit used only once, is dash. Greatest 4-digit number formed by using the digit 3805, we have to arrange this number in big to small order. First 8, then 5, then 3 and then 0. For smallest number 3058, and place value of 8 in biggest number is 8000 and in smallest number 8, and their difference is, so C is right answer. Question number 28. State T for true and F for false. 1. Rounding of 2560 to nearest 1000 gives 200. This is false statement because rounding of 2560 to nearest 1000 gives 3000. Place value of 9 in 97 crores 43 lakhs 4200 is 90 crores. This is true statement. 1 lakh is equal to 1000. This is false because 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Roman numerals for the smallest 4-digit number is M. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and it is written as M in Roman numeral. So this is true statement. So false, true, false, true. So option D is correct. Question number 29. If a new number is formed by interchanging the tens and thousand place digit of 8727, then what is the relation between them? The original number is 8727 and the number formed by interchanging the tens and hundred place, then number will be 2787. Then which number is greater? Original one. So new number is smaller than the original number. So option B is correct. Question number 30. Match the following. 100 crores is equal to 1 billion. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. And 100 tens is equal to 1000. So C is right answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.